How to fix audio problem in Zoom app on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix audio problem in Zoom app on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here this one, apps. Click on it and then click apps, this one, and after that just click Zoom, or you can just scroll all the way down and here you will find Zoom. Click on it and as you see here you will find force stop. Click on it and then go to permissions and the microphone, this one, don't forget this one, microphone. Click on it and click allow. You will find it on deny and click allow, and that's it. Now open storage, clear cache, and go back, try again, and your problem will be fixed. And see you in the next video.